Doing residential interiors or interiors for your office can be really a pain, as you have to deal with many professionals, skilled and unskilled laborers. But here we are with a one-stop solution for all your interior needs. We have a factory backup for your interior needs with latest finishes. We are Interior. We believe in interior for all. And now we come to see one of our interiors in Kanjurmarg at Arcade Earth. This is the interior of Khandelwals. They are a couple named Varun and Ritika. First we study about the safety door. We did not want safety door to be very as usual as people make with SS Jalis or something like that. We wanted it to be simple, elegant and contemporary. So what we did is we carved out parallel lines in that safety door. We laminated that safety door. We gave a ledge for an ideal. We placed light. The light gave an vibrant look and very traditional look to safety door. This safety door, we did not over design it with over paneling or something like this. Now coming inside, you can see we matched the laminate of the safety door with the main door. The main door was provided by developer. He even matched the grooves. This gives it very simplicity as well as it gives it a traditional look. Now going to the entire interiors of the entire living room. We have placed the usable, non-usable, all kinds of places properly. As you can see, we have placed TV unit, we have placed sitting for seeing TV, dining table, everything in a very usable and non-usable spaces. We have placed ceiling, which is layered ceiling, to complement that entire thing. The design was done by Praveen Gaswa. He is one of the senior interior designers in interior. The client has a brief of temple to be in living room at one corner. So we had a challenge to place temple as well as TV unit. So we made it very contemporary by giving glass partition to temple. We also kept the tradition going on by giving ledges, bells, hanging chandelier lights, which added the vibe to that temple. That temple we balanced with an MDF grooved sheets with veneer finish kind of thing, and temple with wooden finishes. Now you can see the both temple and both areas are balanced. We balanced with the hanging light as well as the color of the wooden panel. You can further now see the TV is in middle. You can see the console unit which is below has a backlit light, we a downlit light which gives a floating effect. The floating effect we have used for the console below as well as the TV panel behind. Entire TV panel gives a floating effect. We have only used, if you can see, beige laminate, which is a very simple laminate with wooden finishes. People say that we require different colored laminates or something, but now with subtle beige also you can make such a beautiful house. Being loud is not only important, being very contemporary, being actually true to your nature is very important. Now if you see, we placed dining area besides glass paneling, mirror paneling. That mirror added the depth to the entire room. As you enter, you can see the dining area and mirror paneling which added the depth. We just give simple grooves on that mirror, which also were not so loud, gave an contemporariness. We gave layered ceiling with concealed light, which gave a floating look. We made entire TV unit or entire furniture with BWR ply, with all side laminated ply. We gave drawers besides the TV console unit. You can see the drawers were with simple telescopic channels. We gave TV unit, as I said, with a floating effect light below. Quick tip, an hanging light chandelier in your corner of TV unit can add a contemporary and very smart decor to your TV unit. Even adding MDF paneling is a very good go for your TV unit. Now here you can see we used all neutral colors. We used mirror, we used off-white, everything. Only vibrant color is maroon, which we used in form of cloth on sofa and dining chairs. This vibrant maroon color was an very intelligent thought by Praveen, which added an edge to interiors. Moreover, we used English moldings of wood carvings and we painted with wall color, which gave a smart wall edge to that wall. We did not even apply wallpaper to the wall. Just a molding can make difference to your wall. So this is how we designed their ceiling, their walls, their TV panels very intelligently, making it simple. As you can see, the ceiling gives a floating look. We gave it shape to guide the dining area separate, your TV area separate. We simply gave lights sufficient enough to enlighten entire living room, conceal lights that is running strips, added drama and total glam to that entire living room. Now we come to the kitchen area. Kitchen is also simple, subtle and yet very elegant. Very intelligent, smart choice by Ritika and Praveen together they made. They chose beige. Beige color they chose below the counter. They chose beige above the counter as well. They did not change for any colors. Generally when you go for kitchen, you have a mentality of having very dark and loud colors in kitchen and subtle in other rooms. But Praveen was very intelligent to guide client that let us make entire interior look contemporary, let us not exclude kitchen out of that. So what we did is we made entire kitchen with one color, just having top black, entire thing beige, high gloss beige, modular kitchen made in a factory. Entire kitchen is made with Gola profile and hidden profiles and G profile. The profile used for entire kitchen are of bronze finish. Bronze complemented properly on this beige and black as well, black granite I mean to say. Now you can see the parallel lines which are running in form of Gola profiles, G profiles and edge profiles give a longitudinal look to kitchen. Even the false ceiling is designed in same manner that you get a very longitudinal spacious kitchen kind of look. This kitchen we used Hafele Heritage fittings for hinges. All German fittings were used. The profile you can see in this kitchen are of CNR EPCO. We can use even Indian fittings as tandem fittings as per the client's budget, but here client specified for the German fittings. Now I'll show you how these German fittings work in this kitchen. This is the tandem fitting for the utensils and vessels. It's so soft and very easily discloses. This is the cutlery rack which we provide with tandem fittings. Now you can see the utensils third drawers for utensils with an rail. You have a cutlery tray. You have your other dabbas drawer. You also have your utensils tandem rack. This tandem is available in grey colors to complement the entire thing. Grey also does not look, it looks very contemporary and it does not get dirty fast. This is a masala pull-out. We also provide trolleys in SS of our own make. As we said, we use bronze Gola profile. This Gola profile runs longitudinal towards the end of the kitchen. The feature was very intelligent enough to be used. That is, we had a long two platforms going longitudinal. We did not want it to break that lines. We added that lines with a longitudinal groove through Gola profile. Entire thing beige. without handleless kitchen, seamless kitchen. You can see there is no handle from top till bottom. It is completely seamless in one level. Both kitchens, overhead, your loft storage, your bottom storage, everything is synchronized in one level. You can see the edge profiles the way we used in the overhead unit. With this also, in overhead also you will find no handles. Now we come to the master bedroom. Master bedroom, again the brief was same. We had to use subtle and very neutral colors. We made wardrobe with single laminate, just giving a groove for handle, wooden groove, entirely beige. We intelligently placed bed with teal blue color. We added a fabric to bed so that avoided scratches for their little daughter. The bed edges were all covered with upholstery, that is foam and teal blue cloth. Now we added drama by keeping the bed floating. We added strip light below the bed which gave an illusion of being floating. We also gave a strip light behind the headboard. Very intelligently Praveen placed entire headboard to add color and vibe in teal blue color end to end to entire wall, and the grooves from the headboard were only continued on the wall. We did not paint the wall very dark. We placed TV unit and study table with same blue beige colors. The placement was very intelligently done. There is a movement space for there. We even placed chair of beige color. We generally people choose of black also. We gave a layered ceiling with again concealed lights and enough light to lighten the entire bedroom. You can see we gave side table and of beige which matched the entire wardrobe. Same kind of concealed handles with wooden finish. In that we again gave the headboard that only grooved lines which gave a contemporary look, and few of that groove lights we just took it till top till ceiling on the wall. If you see the placement of the TV unit and study table, you have enough circulation space, as you can see. Moreover, the color is not loud, because if you have loud colors there, they will act as clutter. Now the room looks very spacious. Even if you see the curtains, they are of neutral and nude colors. Now if you see, the quick tip what I would give is add an hanging light in the corner where you can place an side table. This hanging light or just simple grooves or backlit your cantilevered headboard gives a very contemporary, very good look to your house. You can see as the layered ceiling is adding the glam to this. We intelligently placed the dresser inside, concealed inside the wardrobe. The dresser, if you open the dresser, only mirror portion opens and the dresser is concealed inside the wardrobe. The wardrobe, we did not break it with overhead and other bottom portion again, because to give an illusion of the height. You can see we get laminate in 4x8 size, but the wardrobe's height was more than 8 feet. So we intelligently use the laminate by giving handle cut. Now here we come to the children's bedroom. Children's bedroom, again we use the same beige, subtle beige, nude colors, very neutral colors. Only here the vibrant color was the favorite color of the girl, that is pink. That was also very pastel pink. We added furnitures of her ergonometrics and likings. Here you can see how we cut the lines of wardrobe. Down below we gave her drawers for her toys, so that the laminate height is adjusted, and we gave the complete wardrobe till full height. We did not cut it into the overhead and other things. The entire furniture which you can see here is of her ergonometrics and likings, which makes her feel queen. The bed was of 4 by 6 size so that she is comfortable enough with storage below. The paneling was done behind the bed, which avoided you could clean that headboard easily. We gave a dresser mirror to the girl that added the vibe by giving just light from the mirror. We just gave a backlit mirror for the girl to get dressed up. Again, if you see that we did not add much of different forms or other things, we just added 2-3 elements such as wardrobe overhead to be an homely shape. We gave her cloth house kind of thing, which may give her tent kind of feeling, her own space. She likes to sit in that tent kind of thing, which is coming suspended from the ceiling of same pink color, which defined her own space. We gave her console for her books, toys and other things. This you can see her own space where she plays